Hello everyone, I'm Nadine, owner of NG Platinum Homes, and we are at KBIS 2025, and welcome to the next episode of What Makes This Design Great. I'm here at Bertazzoni with my wonderful friend Nikola. We met last year, and I stopped by to see his amazing products, and they have some new things this year, so we're going to talk about what you have here. So let's start with the range that we have here.
Yeah, based on the success that we had with the Carbonio range that was introduced in induction last year, we decided to take Carbonio to the next level. So success was so big that customers that were having an induction range in Carbonio, they wanted to have it even in a gas version, and that's the one that we're introducing. But not only that, Carbonio is such a specific color is a tactile experience, so is the velvety effect that you would have in a sports car, and so we can offer customers to have a Carbonio even on all the suite of kitchen appliances.
In our last video I did with him last year at last KBIS, we talked about all of your products, and because you mentioned automotive, so I'm going to go back to the last video that we did when we talked about that your doors are actually painted in the same manufacturing as a very particular automotive.
Exactly. I mean, we are in a very fortunate area because our neighbors are all the sports cars and sports motorbikes well known in Italy, and therefore we have a supply base that allow us to do these special finishes that are used for sports cars and sports motorbikes.
So what other features here are special about this range, other than the fact that you now are introducing the gas range, which is great? What else would you like to say about this particular?
So about this particular range, not only has the feature of Carbonio, but has also the feature of air frying. We know air frying is hot, yes. And with all the limits of the cluttering the worktop with small appliances and having small appliances cooking small quantities of food, we wanted to have this function in a main oven so that you can do bigger portions and still have a good result.
And it eliminates a small appliance from the countertop of the kitchen, and we all love that.
Exactly, because countertops are beautiful, and if they're clean.
Yes, which if you have kids, they don't always stay that way, but we try. So now we're here looking at the Carbonio refrigerator. This is beautiful. Let's give some details about this.
Exactly. So to complete the suite of cooking products with Carbonio refrigerators, we've developed these special panels that are in Carbonio with the Carbonio finish and with titanium handles, as it is in the cooking product that we just seen before, and that completes the suite, together with the dishwasher panel that we'll see also later on, and that makes with the hood, with the cooktops and with the wall ovens, the full Carbonio suite.
Beautiful. So the next thing that we're going to talk about is the induction cooktops, right? These are absolutely beautiful. The details on these, the trims, that was the first thing that caught my eye about these from a design aspect. It's amazing. So let's talk about some of the functions of this and why it's so great.
So when we developed the new lineup of induction cooktops, we wanted to add some design touches and some sophistication. You know, design induction is usually a glass, and it's a dark glass. So to give it a design touch, we added these metal trims in Carbonio, again in gold and in stainless, with some brass elements that are derived from the brass burners that we have on our gas products, and that give a touch of elegance also to induction product.
The attention to detail is amazing on that.
That's what Bertazzoni is about, attention to details
and
materials.
So let's talk about some of the functions of this actual cooktop. And what is so special about it?
Yeah, so not only from a design standpoint, but these induction products have the latest generation of induction technology that is available in the market currently. So this last generation have sensors in the actual induction coils that are be able to triangulate what is the temperature of the food inside the pot, and with that opens the possibility to do a lot of other things like assisted modes of cooking. So through a very easy to use and beautiful TFT user interface, you can access to special functions that are there to help end consumers to achieve certain results. And those results are what are catered to doing the things, the cooking functions that you use the most. Being Italians, obviously, the pasta
Yeah.
is a big deal for
Right.
us, as you can imagine. So when you do, you have a special pasta function. The biggest problem that you have when you do pasta is you put the gas or the induction at max because you want the water to boil as fast as possible, and then it either spills or you don't realize when when it's boiling because you're doing other things. So when you select the pasta function, the induction will take as fast as possible, and induction is really fast
Yeah,
and powerful.
right.
It takes water to boil without spilling, because as soon as it starts boiling, it adjusts the temperature because it senses that it has reached the boiling temperature. Then it will give you an audio signal to say now it's ready for you to put the pasta. When you are putting the pasta, again, pasta's cold, so the temperature of the water will drop. Then it kicks in again to raise the temperature and take it to boil again, but without spilling. And the usual problem of spilling boiling water is absolutely not there anymore, because with the sensor it will never spill. And then starts, you can set it in a countdown with the duration of the pasta, so that at the end of the cooking cycle, it will keep it at boiling temperature so that the pasta comes out well and al dente as it should be. But then it gives you again another audio signal to tell you that the cycle is complete and shuts off.
That's an amazing technology. Very impressive.
Same thing applies with deep frying. Another very tricky cooking operation is deep frying. Deep frying, what you usually have to do is to keep the frying temperature that is high enough not the food to absorb too much oil, but not too high, because then it starts burning. And once the oil starts burning, then you have to throw it away, and it is also not very healthy. So what this thing does is, by being able to sense the temperature and knowing what the temperature of deep frying should be, it keeps it at the right temperature. So as soon as you drop the food that again is cold, then it will higher the temperature to maintain it to the perfect level, but never burn it.
Wow. And very impressive. Like I said, I love that technology. So now I'm very excited to now show the wall oven, which you mentioned has a lot of good features on it too. So let's finish this off with the most impressive, strong, as you said, right? It's a strong finish with the
A
wall
strong
oven.
finish with the new platform of wall
Yes.
ovens.
Okay, so as you mentioned, keeping with the Carbonio color, let's talk about this wall oven and the features and go from there.
Absolutely. So these Carbonio ovens are a totally redesigned new platform. We made a lot of improvements to our previous platform of ovens. Wall ovens come in 30-inch single, 30 double, and the combo oven, which is a combination of a speed oven and a regular oven. All of them have the possibility of having steam function in the main cavity. It's not plumb steam, but is with a water tank that you can remove and fill.
Which is healthy for people, right?
Healthier, much better cooking results. Really, when you learn how to cook with steam and with steam, not only full steam, because big cavities that way you cannot do full steaming. You would need to have a smaller cavity to do the full steaming. But steam injections and combination of steam with convection or with broiler really gives results that are impossible with just convection ovens.
And definitely, I would imagine that the steam then helps with meat cooking, makes
Yeah.
it more moist, and so that's
Absolutely.
also makes it a good end result.
What steam does is it helps keeping the food moist in the inner part, but still have a good crust on the outside, and that is very true for meats, as you said, for fish, but it's also very true with focaccia bread. When you do bread in an oven and with a steam oven, you achieve results of a very fluffy bread inside, but a very thin crust on the outside.
Which is great. That's beautiful. I love that.
The other thing is, as we were talking about for the ranges, the air fryer. Air fryer function is something that is very popular, and we want to have it in all our oven cavities, whether are ranges or built-in ovens.
We all love the air fryer. Even my 13-year-old son who's learning how to cook, he's getting very good at it. He loves the air fryer too. So this would be a great alternative to do it all in one. I love that idea.
Yeah, and in this combo oven that we're seeing here, the top cavity is a speed oven. So it's a combination of a microwave and a convection oven. So it can be used as a pure microwave, it can be used as a convection oven, and it can be used with the two technologies together. For instance, when you do like roasted potatoes, to avoid having to boil the potatoes before you put them in the oven, if you combine microwaves and convection, you can cook them in the inside and roast them in the outside with the two technologies.
And it's good to have it's space saving too. So you don't have to then worry about having an extra appliance, like a separate microwave
Exactly.
somewhere else in the kitchen.
Exactly. And so, and this is one unit, one wire, and one user interface.
Great. Well, thank you so much for showing us all of your amazing products.
Thank you.
Always lovely to see you. And
My pleasure.
I will see you in Milano in April.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
At the Salone.
Yes, absolutely.
Looking forward to it.
Thank you so much. Until then, stay tuned for the next episode.